How to change the primary country or the region in your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change the country or the region in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. Now once you are in here, in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile. You have to click on it, and from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in the settings and the privacy, here you have to go on the business tool and the controls, and here you have to go on the switch account type, and you have to switch your account to the creator account. Like you have to switch to your business account, and once you change your account type, what you have to do is simply go back and you have to open up your profile, and here you have to go on the edit profile. So now once you are in the edit profile, here you have to go on the contact option, and as you can see that here is the option of the business email, phone number, Instagram, audio calling, and you just have to select the business address. Now once you are in here, you have to add the street address, change the city or the town, and add your city postal code, and you have to add a valid address so that people can navigate to your location in the maps. So once you change it, you just have to click on the done, and you are able to save the changes. So that's how you can change the region or the country in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.